Hi there, in this video we'll go through just how easy it is to sign up to Dear Lucy and get your sales dashboards up and running in a matter of just a few minutes. So first thing to do here at signup.dearlucy.co is to type in your name and company name as well. Like so, and press start. You need to enter your work email as well. Like so, and choose your password here on this field here. Last thing it will do is to ask you to confirm the URL, the web address, and we don't need a limited there, so we're just going to call it Holbrooks. It takes about 10 seconds for Dear Lucy to create the environment on which your dashboards will appear. You will be automatically jumped in to your dashboard environment once it's ready. Here we go. We're now in the admin, the settings view of Dear Lucy. And the first thing we want to do is, of course, to add an integration. In this case, I'm going to use a Pipedrive sales integration out of these default ones that I connect. So I press connect on the bottom here and confirm this. A pop-up window confirms that I'm signed into to our demo account in Pipedrive here, and it just confirms that we're allowing Dear Lucy to install this for Pipedrive. So continue to the app, press confirm. And then you need to choose your pipelines. You can choose many. In this case, we only have one. Which ones you want to integrate, and press complete. We get a notification here that the Pipedrive integration was added successfully, and we can check here as well in added integrations that it's up and running and has been synced. So the first thing I want to do now is, of course, to check out my dashboards. And here we go. All of it seems to be working. We have data in our charts, and we have 5 sales dashboards up and running. That's all for this video. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned. Bye bye.